Have you been waiting for that house on acreage with a pond, a barn, and room to roam? Then look no further, because today it's here on 7 beautiful acres with the potential to purchase an additional 4.34 acres. Room to roam is an understatement. There are 3 bedrooms, with 1 located on the main floor and 2 large bedrooms upstairs. A bonus area upstairs makes for the perfect reading or study area. This home also has 2 full bathrooms, main floor laundry, 2 living areas, and a dining room, leaving plenty of room for family and friends to visit. An extra-large, fully enclosed front porch is ready for you to enjoy. Spend your morning sipping coffee and enjoying the peaceful, rural landscape that surrounds you. Outside boasts a 40 by 60 pole barn with 2 animal stalls and a workspace, plus access to an enclosed grazing area that's currently housing sheep. The pond is 1 acre and fully stocked, so it's ready for you to spend those summer days fishing, swimming, and soaking up the sun. This is a must-see property. If you're looking for something that has it all, don't wait. Call Justin Longardner for more information.